Mayong hapon, everyone. So come with me as we go through the market and find langka. Langka is jackfruit in English, and in Visaya it's nanka. So as we go through the market, we are going to be searching for jackfruit. And you can also use jackfruit not just as a fruit, but when it is not ripe yet, then you can also use it more like a vegetable. And that's what we'll be using it for today. And as you can see here, we found jackfruit. And now this is a smaller type of jackfruit. Normally I get it from the larger jackfruit, but this is going to work out fine. They'll, as you can see, there's different types of vegetables here on the table, and the person selling them is asking what exactly I'm going to use it for so that she can figure out the best way to cut it for me. And I told her I'm going to cook it with coconut milk, and so she's going to chop it up for me. And we will not just use coconut milk, but we'll also use onions and garlic, along with I'm adding some eggplant into it, and then also some salt and pepper, and some different other seasonings that I use in it. As we go over here to get the coconut milk, the woman is going to cut it open for me, and then they're going to put it in this machine and grind out the coconut so that I have basically just coconut pulp. When I get home, I'm going to let it soak in water and then squeeze out the coconut milk for this recipe. And I also have some chilies or cayenne at home, so we'll be using that as well. So I like my lanka spicy. I like most of my food spicy, to be honest. And so we'll be having this coconut milk done for us, and then of course after the shopping's done, of course you got to get a snack, right? So we'll go over here to the bakery and grab some of our snacks. They're freshly baked every day, and it's delicious. Now, as we come home, we prepare it. We put all the ingredients in the slow cooker. So the slow cooker will, cook probably a few hours, and you stir it a little bit after you put all the ingredients. You stir it I normally stir it every hour or so to check on it. And after that, you sit back and eat your snack while it's all cooking. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's a part of cooking here in the Philippines, and a part of understanding the local foods as well. So, continue to watch the videos. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for continuing to come back to my channel. Have a great day. See you guys in the next one.